Bitcoin has captivated the world with its meteoric rise from 3,000 all the way up to 50,000, leaving you with your biggest question. Should you buy more right now or wait? In today's video, I'm going to share with you a major trade alert. This trade alert is going to blow your mind because it's going to either make you a ton of money or it's going to save you a ton of money. If you're new here, welcome in. My name is Steve. This is where you're going to come have more success in crypto. Hit that subscribe button right now. Did you do it? Hit that subscribe button. Leave a thumbs up on this video. Let's jump straight into it. I need to start with a major announcement. Our website went down for a short period of time, but then we got bombarded with emails of everybody trying to sign up to the courses and they just couldn't because the website was down. The developers jumped on it. They solved the problem. It is now good to go. But everybody started signing up as soon as the website was fixed. And now the seats are almost gone. The seats are almost gone. You got to take action right now. As you know, it's a massive 61.8%. Celebrate our company birthday. Our courses we launched 3 years ago. We just redesigned them. This is your day. You got to sign up right now before it's too late. They are nearly gone. Now, if you're an old student, are you an old student and you've been dying to get this custom designed hybrid indicator? There is a chance you can get it. There's only a couple people that we're going to let in. Email me right now, info@cryptocrewuniversity.com, and we'll give you a special way to sign up to the custom designed hybrid indicator. If you haven't signed up to these courses yet, you are completely missing out. You've been wanting to sign up. This is your golden opportunity. You're not going to get a better opportunity than this, and the seats are almost sold out. Go pull the trigger now. You got to pull the trigger now. Game-changing courses. How would it feel to recover your losses? How would it feel to start dominating your trades and build for your financial freedom? That's what you're going to be doing with my courses. Go sign up right now. You're going to go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. Look at the link, cryptocrewuniversity.com. I'll link it down below. Go pull the trigger right now. cryptocrewuniversity.com. And again, if you've been in crypto 1 to 5 years, boom, the gold. Click that button right now. If you're really new to crypto, you want to start right at step 1, get the diamond. The diamond starts right at step 1. It's for people who are less than 1 year in crypto. If you're less than 1 year, get the diamond. If you've been in more than 1 year, you get the gold. It's that simple. As soon as you click that button, you're going to be brought to this secret page. And you better click this button as quickly as possible because this is where the magic happens. If you got to this page, there's still a couple seats left. You've got to act fast. This is to add the custom designed hybrid indicator. You get instant trade alerts right to your phone, right to your email. Click add this to your cart. The rest is history. I know you're excited. I can't wait to see you on the inside. Now, today's video is legendary. This is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, but it's a game changer. I'm going to give you a major trade alert because right now we're approaching this red line. It's a major line, and you need to pay close attention to what this line means and how to react to this line. Because right now you're wondering, hey, should I be adding to my position? Should I be buying more Bitcoin right now or wait for some pullback and buy the pullback? After today's video, it's going to become crystal clear. I want to bring you first to this chart. Now, as we look at Bitcoin, it's the same line, by the way, this red line drawn across the top here. But I want to give you a big picture perspective of this line because there are 2 scenarios that happen as we approach this red line. And both of those scenarios are absolutely incredible. But again, your question is, hey, should I be adding to my position? Should I buy more Bitcoin now or wait? And it's going to become crystal clear. Now, scenario number 1, as we approach this red line, we get rejected. And it's not a small rejection. It's not a 5% rejection or a 7%. It's not a little pullback. On average, it's roughly 30 to 35%. It's major. It turns heads, it catches people by surprise, and people are caught completely off guard with these pullbacks. They're big. The second scenario is if we actually make it above this red line in a very short period of time, we have our blow off top, our market cycle top, which is the absolute top of the bull market. That's what's happened in the entire history of Bitcoin. And it usually happens in a very short window of time, three to 5 weeks. I didn't say 3 to 5 months. I didn't say 3 to 5 years. 3 to 5 weeks, we reach our absolute pinnacle top, and then we move into a bear market. It's happened not once, not twice, not 3 times, but all 4 times that we've gotten above this red line. It means that we are on our parabolic blow-off top, which marks our market cycle top high of the bull market, and we don't see prices that high again for 3 to 4 years. This is a major trade alert. And the reason is, I want to break it down how you should trade this right now. Again, this is what I would do. This is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, but this will be a major help in order to save you a lot of money or make you a lot of money. Now let's go break down these 2 scenarios step by step, and it will become incredibly clear. First, we need to give a little shout out to the Twitters. Our Twitters is on fire, absolutely on fire, blowing up. Look at this, Crypto Crew U. Go over to the Twitters, show some love. We do a lot of content there that we don't do on the YouTubies. Crypto Crew U on the Twitters. Look at this name right here on the Twitters. And again, look for the comments down below that's like, Steve, it's not called the Twitters. Because again, that's a laugh. Have a laugh. Now, what we're going to be doing is talking about this red line because we're approaching it right now. And again, we approached it back here. Remember in the beginning of January, we put out a warning video. We said, hey, we're approaching this red line. And usually when we approach this red line, we have a pretty hefty correction. We were prepared for that correction. Now, after 1 month, we're approaching it again, which is in rare territory. And we'll break that down so you can clearly understand it. But again, when we scroll back and we look left, I want you to always look at the chart and look left. That's something you're always going to remember as you're looking at the chart, and maybe you'll hear me say it. Look left, look left. That's where all the facts are. You can see in the previous run in 2017, we got rejected not once, not twice, not 3 times, but more. And as we look at the full scope, right? Each time we see 1 rejection, 2 rejection, and then our plow through. With this scenario, 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections, and then our market cycle blow off top. The only time where we didn't see any rejections was this, our second cycle. Our second cycle saw absolutely no rejections, just an absolute blow through to our pinnacle top, a 77% correction, and then an absolute blow through to our pinnacle top, our blow off top. And again, I will say, as soon as we get through this red line, the market moves faster than it's ever moved before. That's our blow off top. Our blow off top is literally the fastest movement upwards, not just of Bitcoin. Ethereum will do the same. Cardano will do the same. Any of your favorite altcoins will do the same. And again, we covered altcoins versus Bitcoin, who's going to move faster in 2021 if you saw our previous video. But now let's break down this trade, right? You understand now that 2 scenarios happen as we approach the red line. Number 1, we see a very hefty pullback, 30 to 35%. Scenario number 2, we, in a very short period of time, we move to our market cycle top and then move into a bear market. Those are the only 2 scenarios in history as we approach the red line. One point that could be a hint is we just recently got rejected from this line. If we look back and we look left and you say any other time we've seen 1 rejection point, we have seen another rejection point. And again, we saw 3 to 4 here, we saw 2 here. This is the only scenario where we saw no rejection points, and you see what happened. But let's break down this trade, because right now you're wondering, hey, should I be adding to my position right now? Or maybe you haven't invested in Bitcoin yet, you're relatively new, and you're wondering, hey, should I be investing right now? The simple answer is look at your risk to reward. Look at your risk to reward, meaning what are you risking? What is your reward? Right now, we don't know the outcome of how we're playing with this red line. It would be really silly to take a trade right now because the risk is incredibly high and the reward is very small. What's the reward? Well, we could maybe get above the red line, although that's quite the risk. We don't know how we're going to react. Or scenario number one is we have a 30 to 35% correction. It would be silly to add to your position right now for the simple risk to reward ratio. However, if you wanted to add to your position and you waited until we got above the red line, we can look back in history and say, okay, anytime we've gotten above and confirmed it, it was the fastest moving Bitcoin price ever. Every one of the time. So if you're waiting for a trade, you wait to get above the red line, confirm above the red line, and then you enjoy our pinnacle top. You enjoy our market cycle top, and you take profits of where we're going to tell you on this channel. But again, you do not add to your position right now. What you could do is hold, be patient. If we do get a rejection, you add to your position, maybe at a 20% correction, maybe at a 25% correction, so you know your order is filled. You don't have to wait for the 30% correction, which we typically see. Does that make sense? So your trade becomes, hey, right now, I want to see how we play with the red line. If you start to see 20, 15, 20% pullback from this area, then you know you're going to be thinking about adding to your position. And if you want to add to your position again, you could do so above the red line, which you know history tells us that once we move above, we move to our blow off top. The market moves incredibly quickly and it becomes one of the best times to enjoy some quick profits. Although that 3 to 5 week window adds up quick and it's time to get out and hopefully somewhere near the top and take a ton of profits and then be incredibly patient. And again, once we reach these tops, it usually takes 3 to 4 years to create a higher high, to create a new all-time high. So these are the glory days. That's what everyone dreams of. And using this simple formula, it becomes crystal clear of how you should play this right now. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, but I wanted to do a video that's simple, clean, and clear, that when I explain it, you're like, wow, I actually understand this. I actually get it. So that's what I want to do. If you can't pull this up on TradingView, you simply go to lookintobitcoin.com. The link is right here. And then you go to Bitcoin Investor Tool. And then voila, you have it. This is free, by the way, on Look Into Bitcoin. I pay to have it here on the chart. You don't need to do that. It's free right here, okay? So that solves all of your headaches. Make it simple. Follow this line. Look at what we're doing. Either wait for a pullback, and if we go through, add to your position. And again, this will make you a lot of money or save you a ton of money. So what I want to do is give you a quick shout out to Mark. Check out what Mark did. If you have kids, do you have kids or you're planning to have kids, you want them to be successful, right? You want to be successful so that you can give your kids a better life, right? That's what you want, financial freedom. Look at what Mark did. Quote, Steve's educational classes made all the difference. Just over the last 2 weeks, we profited $50,000 by using the strategies in my course. And then he went on to say, our son copied one of the trades and made $35,000. How would that feel if you and your family just made $50,000 from using my courses? How would that change your life? What would that feel like to tell your friends and family that you just profited $50,000? Oh, and by the way, your son copied one of your trades and made $35,000. How would that feel? That's the freedom I want to give you. You're stressed out trading. You are not happy with your results. You want financial freedom, but you're not happy with the results you've gotten. I have all the answers for you. All the answers. Years and years of my failures as a trader are all put into here so you don't make those mistakes. But the problem is, the seats are almost sold out. They're moving really quick. Once we got that website fixed, and if you missed it in the beginning, Our website went down momentarily. People freaked out. Everyone was emailing me, Steve, I'm trying to sign up. I'm trying to sign up. I'm trying to sign up. And it wasn't working. The developers fixed it. Everything is fixed now. But the problem is, since it was fixed, like maybe 12 hours ago, everyone has bombarded our website and the seats are almost sold out. So you've got to act literally right now. You got to pull the trigger now. Today is your day. This is your time. Go to CryptoCrewUniversity.com. You can see the link right here. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Link is down below. Link is up here. Sign up to the gold, 1 to 5 years. If you're brand new, get the diamond. If you have any questions, email me. The link to the thing to email me, info@CryptoCrewUniversity.com. But you better email fast. But I highly recommend go sign up. And if you're an old student and you've been dying to get this custom design hybrid indicator, I've finagled a way for you to sign up for it, but we're only taking a few more. So email me right now, info@CryptoCrewUniversity.com, and in the subject line put indicator. And you've got to act really, really, really fast because these are almost gone. I mean, it's remarkable how fast they're flying off the shelves. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Major help with this red line. Now you have a clear focus, clear strategy. It finally makes sense. If you're a student, comment down below. Comment down below, an honest comment, how you feel about the courses, before the courses and after the courses. What's changed? Let me know your honest take. I can't wait to read them. I love reading them. Brings a smile to my face, so I really look forward to that. Oh! My son's birthday. My son's birthday is on the 24th, a week from tomorrow. He's turning 2 years old. Can you believe it? When did you start watching? Did you start watching around the time he was born? Well, we've been together for 2 years. Almost 2 years old. He's my pride and joy. Man, it's incredible. It's incredible having kids. So if you haven't done that yet, I recommend it. It's very special. So 2 years old, I can't wait. I'll see you right back here on the next video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.